Yo, ready for jump on the street and Ras Mokko sit down right there, son.
Yes, sir, right now.
Yeah, facts, alright.
What does you all today?
Whole heap of people again.
Please turn up more yesterday. And I know up there.
Alright, we just get to a little part here when a little see like a real jungle thing. Where, you know, a tree fell down in the road, I could just move across. Hold on. Jungle life! Calm down, yo. It's a whole adventure this. But as Mokko said, them a build up the road them. Cause them call Mokko and ask Mokko.
Yes, sir.
All the place, the Mokko said the road them need to build, so the road have to get built.
Yeah, roll a picture now.
Yeah, man. Bye-bye. Alright, so the way that we are enter is a bit different.
Yeah.
Normally, when you watch the videos, you might see people driving through like the riverbed.
The riverbed.
But here is a way where Mokko feel more comfortable with. I must say, the river can rise at any time.
Any moment. You know?
Take away.
Yeah.
It's a vibe.
It happened to me there already.
Happened to you already?
Down there. Happened to me there, man.
I can see the river already. Alright, so we're linking up when we reach.
Yeah, man.
Girls them down there have a good time. Alright guys, so we're getting closer to the falls. I'll go and chat see and we're gonna talk to Mokko about the ground lizard them. So Mokko, I have a question, Zane. You get a whole heap of guests. You don't get tired to come at the same place all the time?
No, for a video, we are running another video.
Same way.
Nah, blood clot back down. Nah, easy.
Yeah, man. So you say for cross.
You have to work, you have to be quiet.
Yeah, pretty part with my shoes now. My shoes waterproof. So I'm walking like same way.
Yeah, this, you know, but you know, I like when sometimes I put down and stick it, you know. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you could try it.
Yeah, true that. Yeah, super man.
Yeah, man, with two condoms, you can't eat no chicken here. See? True. Then I have to
Yo, the things they work easy. Yo, this man is a character, I swear. Alright, so we're getting closer. Getting much closer, man.
Yeah, man.
So them call it Reggae Falls. Is it actually a falls or is it a dam?
It was a dam.
Oh, it's a dam. Oh, because it looks kind of artificial. It's a construct of it, right? Yeah, I can definitely tell you it was a dam or something because this big pipe structure. So for those people who coming here thinking like it's going to be like this natural type of full-on thing, it's a cross between both. You know, natural and some man-made structures. So keep it real, you know. Yes, I. It's always a great feeling to actually see the place you always hear about.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
yeah, man.
That's a vibe. Yes, I we did it. Reach Reggae Falls. Yo, right here, super windy. I can just feel the breeze. Yo, the vibe. Alright, so for those persons who don't really know Jamaica or don't know what part, we are currently right now in St. Thomas. And so, you know, whenever you travel to St. Thomas, you can definitely come to Reggae Falls and, you know, get a chance at, you know, coming to the river to bathe off or just to see an attraction that a lot of other Jamaicans like coming to. It's a vibe here. St. Thomas is not really quite known for a lot of tourism attractions like you would have for Ocho Rios or Kingston or Baee. Whoa! Whoa! So Mokko, how long do you know about that place, huh?
Yeah, man, I'm going
I have to ask, cause you see some people when I learn about them places through social media.
Yeah.
Social, because I recently heard about Reggae Falls probably like a year or 2 years ago. So me new to this.
Yeah, I come see it now.
I come see it now.
Yeah.
So I get some drone shots and show you guys, a little bit more up close and personal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, the vibes, man. Hey, more you know, say a clear water missing at the ear from the falls that drop down, like you can just feel the mist of water, it's just cool and nice.
Yeah, you feel it?
Yeah. So, down there so deep? In the deepish. Okay. Yeah, we're there, so. Wow. Fish on the Mokko?
Tom.
Tom. Oh, let me see you cook one time.
Yeah,
Tom. Yeah. How much bigger than grow than this?
Wow. When they can
Okay.
When then there's like mountain,
Okay.
Yeah, like so. This side is going to kill you.
Tom. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to leave Reggae Falls. It was cool being there. And didn't take a dip because I already went to the river today, all I shower, so I'm good. Yo, reason Mokko make a real serious reason, which is you come myself a whole shower, you can't really shower down there, so yeah. Too much people there, so and the thing I don't really like about here, I'm just being real, I don't know if today is different from any other day, is that I mean it's a river, you come to a river, my G, like you come there for just relax and hold a vibes and a meditation, but the whole heap of loud music, you can still hear the song burn on me. On a Sunday, yeah. Them thing there sometimes you just need them thing there, you call it party and club. You get me? If you have a river party, say I go through a river party here, no problem. But it's not a river party, them places.
Gunshot in our head and this and but it's a crazy blood clot music.
Yeah, that's the thing, it just kind of take away from it.
And then something them believe when you and did after, you know.
Yeah.
And then claim this with them a what? Shatter! The dead tough pussy clad part. Idiot.
Guys, we just got back in just in time because the rain is tearing outside like it's crazy. I kind of wanted to hear some rain here, especially in the night, because you don't know, zinc roof, rain a fall on top, it's just a mesmerizing feel. So the water there, everything bless up, the farmer get some rain and thing. But yeah, that's the vibe right now. I'm gonna end this video here because Reach Falls, I did that already. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.